Welcome back again. If your Android phone automatically records every call and you want to turn that feature off, this tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. The steps are simple and take less than a minute on most Android devices. To begin, unlock your phone and launch the phone app. Be sure you're using the built-in dialer that came with your device, as many third-party calling apps don't include the same call recording settings. Once you're in the phone app, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear with several options. From there, tap Settings to access your phone's calling preferences. Now, look for an option called Record Calls, Call Recording, or something similar. Depending on your phone's manufacturer, the wording and location may be slightly different. Open that section to view the available recording settings. Inside, you'll find the Auto Record Calls feature. If it's enabled, every incoming and outgoing call is being recorded automatically. Simply tap the switch beside Auto Record Calls to turn the feature off. The change is saved instantly, so you don't need to restart your phone or confirm anything else. From this point onward, your Android phone will no longer record calls automatically. If you ever need to record an important conversation, you can manually enable recording during a call if your device supports that option. Keep in mind that some Android phones may not offer built-in call recording because of regional laws or carrier restrictions. In those cases, the option won't appear in the phone app settings. Hope this tutorial solved your problem. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.